Today we will be testing the whole butterfly oscillator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the whole butterfly oscillator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 57 different strategies, with 14 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 760 indicators, with 306 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 14 of the winning indicators. 7 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one is 76% win rate. Now, keep in mind that we test most of the strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the whole butterfly oscillator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so basically the indicator consists of a few different lines here, and then a few the different horizontal lines here, and then we have the oscillating line there running through. We also have a histogram kind of building, follow along with it as a zero line kind of histogram. So there is essentially a zero line running right down the middle, and the histogram is green and red according to whether it's above or below that zero line. And then if you look really closely, it's kind of hard to see, but we have these dots right here. So here's a red dot, and here is a green dot. If I scroll back a little bit more, you can see there's also a red dot there, also a red dot there, and a green dot there. And so that is what we are actually looking for. And so when we get a red dot, that is going to be a signal to go short. When we get a green dot, that is going to be a signal to go long. And so that's how we're going to test it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a short signal. You can see that our oscillating line here breaks up above these areas right here. So it's kind of like an overbought, oversold type area. These two lines here, you can think of anything above those lines or below those lines as being kind of in the overbought, oversold type zone. And so we see that oscillating line break up above the upper bands there, and then we get our red dot, and we get a nice push to the downside there, which does come down and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, then we pick up a long signal right here on this one, and you can see we pretty much get an immediate push to the upside there, which does come up and get us to our take profit once again. Let's go ahead and continue on here. All right, there we go. So that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. I thought we'd get more out of this, but apparently not. I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server here. So this is our Discord server here, which is free to join, but then we do have a Patreon only channel here set up on the server. And that's basically for all the patrons to be able to hang out and take advantage of some advanced information that we are posting here for everyone to see. For example, this is Sasquatch. He is an amazing Forex prop trader. He was sick for the last couple of days, a few days back there, but he's back at it, hard working here, posting every single day, most every single day anyways, multiple charts where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest that he is looking at. Here is a really good example of that. And so you can see these areas of support and resistance. You can see how he's marked out different highs, different lows, and he's marked out this area right here that he is looking to take a trade if price cooperates and goes in the direction that he's looking for it to go in. And so this is a prime example of a wonderful chart that if you are kind of new to trading or even have some experience with trading, this is something that you could get a lot of benefit out of, just kind of understanding how to mark up charts with support and resistance and following along with Sasquatch on these trades to kind of understand price action and how it interacts with these areas of support and resistance that he's marking out. And so if you're looking to kind of take the next steps in your trading knowledge, your trading journey, highly recommend that you join us here and follow along. Our admin Jay is also posting regular charts very similar to this, but of the futures market where, like I said, very similar, has areas of support and resistance marked out, areas of interest where he may be potentially looking to take trades. Here is a chart that Sasquatch posted. You can see that he took 3 consecutive trades here, back to back to back there, and all of them were really nice winning trades. A lot of wonderful information that you can learn from Sasquatch here and our admin Jay by just kind of following along and seeing what they post and the different ways that they explain what they're doing there. So highly recommend that you join us there. All right, so this one was pretty simple. Again, I thought we would get more signals out of this, more trades than just the 2, but that's all we got. And you can see that both of them were winning trades, and so this one is technically going to go on one of the on the 100% winners list. Now, of course, it will be tested more thoroughly in the advanced testing stage once it rolls around to this particular indicator. But for now, we are going to put this one on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.